Hello, everybody, and welcome to BrandVision Marketing's Brand Boost. Another episode. This one talking about how to develop a strong meaning for your brand. So the other day, I'm at Walmart. Don't judge. And I had to get cat litter, and this is the only place that I can find this cat litter, and the cats are very particular about the litter they use. So I go in. The place is busy, as it always is, which is good. Go to the pet section, and on the highest shelf is one bag of this cat litter, and it was at the far back of the shelf. There's just absolutely no way I was going to get that thing without climbing into the bin, and that bin is all wire. I would have, the whole thing would have come crashing down, so that wasn't an option. But I noticed a cane sitting next to the shelf there. And obviously, thinking about it later, someone had experienced the same thing and gone and got a cane and used that cane to drag a bag out, which is what I did immediately. So, but I'm in the bin trying to coax the bag out with this cane, and finally got it out and was just kind of chuckling to myself because I know that had to look hilarious to anyone who was walking by, which I'm sure several people were because it was pretty busy. And at that moment, I looked down at the end of the aisle and see two Walmart employees just staring at me with with blank faces, Didn't offer any help at all, knowing that this was a big struggle, but didn't offer any help. This is a segue into what we're talking about today, because brands are about relationships, and every touch point you have with a brand, every interaction you have with a brand provides an opportunity to enhance that brand or detract from it. And, two brands at play here in this story. One, world's greatest cat litter. I was willing to do whatever I needed to do to get that, and obviously because the cats are particular about their litter. And two, the Walmart brand, at how lousy that customer service experience was. But every brand is like a manila folder in your mind, and anytime you have an interaction with that brand, whether it's an ad-related media touch point or a customer service experience, it's like opening up that manila folder in the mind and filing away that experience in that manila folder. And whenever that brand comes up 2 months from now or 2 days from now or whatever, you're constantly opening up that manila folder and filing that new experience, and with it you see all the other experiences you've had. It's a relationship. So developing a strong meaning for your brand is really essentially, it serves as a foundation for the brand building process. And there are three elements that we always strive to hone in on when coming up with a strong brand identity. The first element, and be very mindful of these elements as you're looking at your own brand, but the first element is distinction. You have to have a distinctive brand. You have to stand out. I constantly talk to clients, prospective clients, and ask them, what is one thing that you do better than anyone else? And for instance, inevitably I'll hear customer service. We have great customer service, which is great, and that's a strong central way to build a service-oriented brand, certainly. But the problem is it doesn't necessarily create distinction, unless the competitor down the street is promoting the fact that they hate their customers. Come see us and we'll treat you like crap. If they're doing that, then saying we have great customer service is distinctive, but nobody's saying that. So, for instance, we had a menswear client who honed in on that element of customer service, but they didn't say in their marketing, hey, we have great customer service. No, they created a program that brought the store to the client's office or home, depending on what they were looking to shop for. That relayed the idea of customer service without saying we have great customer service. If you're bringing the store to the customer, then obviously you have great customer service. So we were communicating that without saying it. We said it without saying it. But distinctiveness is a strong element in the brand building process. Number 2, relevance. You have to stand out, and you have to stand out in a way that means something to the consumer. It has to be something functional or a utility that they need that will help your brand indeed stand out in their mind and stand out in a way that matters to them. That's very important. Number 3, continuity. From touch point to touch point, the brand needs to contain the same look and feel that it does, whether you're talking in a Facebook post, a TV ad, whatever the case may be. Touch point to touch point, the continuity has to be there. So distinctiveness, relevance, and continuity. Make sure you're striving to include each of those elements in your brand meaning. So that's it for today. Thanks for listening. Have questions? Shoot me an email at info@brandvisionmarketing.com or visit our website at brandvisionmarketing.com and schedule a free discovery session. Or call 865-531-5874. Thanks for your time, and have a great day.